transition. Now let's go to the next topic. Okay. Change transition mode. Okay, transition mode. See, double click on the transition. That one we'll discuss now. Not the transition. The apply transition. Yeah, double click 2 times. Click. Okay. See, there is one transition mode. Whether it should be equally distributed or to the previous one or to the next one, like that. You see, there is prefix is there. Overlapping
Prefix this one.
The to the next one at the beginning of the next clip. This one center of the
Right?
both clips. This one at the end of the previous clip. So like that it will change.
Mode,
Yeah.
This center. This. Okay. That we can with
manually also you can do. But there is one option from here, double clicking. The use of this one is you can use like apply all.